brother. How are you, my brother?
I'm good, and you, my brother?
I'm fine, my brother. My brother, today, so buza like the Q&As, ne?
Yeah.
My brother, my brother, how many capital cities do we have in South Africa?
Capital cities, my brother.
Capital cities, my brother.
Ngicela question yakho phansi, my brother. Ngaze ngithanda uphendula into
How many capital cities do we have in South Africa? Or in capital city as South Africa?
ngathi Johannesburg, my brother.
Usure, my brother?
Not 100%.
Awufukushintsha umqondo?
Nah.
Usure?
Yes.
Okay, my brother.
Bufuna i-100.
Okay, sinike enye mangabe ikhona. As I said, like how many?
Okay, ngathi awekho above 10.
Ayingaki?
7, 8.
Okay, my brother. Okay.